Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and welcome to my channel. Today with another special video. I will show you some very old drawings of my childhood. This is not even close for what I have left here. I have so many drawings of my childhood here on my table, but I will show you just a part of it. This video would be way too long if I would show you everything. So let's jump right into it. So as a kid I did many short mangas, like this one. It's an original character as a villain. He's about to attack an island and as you can see, Goku is sensing the energy, but I haven't continued that manga. Next we see another manga, this time with Goku and Vegeta. Well, that's the German language. I am from Germany, so that's why. Let's see what the young Tolg drew around 15 years ago. I will translate it into English for you guys. So as you can see, I haven't finished this either, but for a kid this is very impressive. You know, back then there was no YouTube and stuff, not even the internet I guess. So we kids only had our imagination. Let's see what's next. Now we have a lot of small drawings. These are mostly created characters. I was a huge Tekken fan back then, so I created some fighters for that game. I gave them all some power levels, names, ages and stuff. Let's check out the design of those characters. So, I think some of them are looking very cool and very creative, I have to say. Back then I was drawing only from my imagination, well, let's say 80% of the time. Therefore it is very good. And I even made stuff like this as a kid. Some attacks, some combos and all of that. I don't really think that any kid did something like this. Do you guys draw something like this as well? Let me know that down below in the comments if you did. Next we have some bigger drawings. This is a YuGiOh character. I think he is called the Black Magician. And some other original characters as well. Some drawings are from 2005, so 14 years ago. I was 13 years old back then, so I am 27 now. And I also innovated some football jerseys, of course with my own name written on the shirt. Oh my god, I even created some YuGiOh cards. Man, where do I get all of this creativity? You have to give this video a thumb up for this, guys. Now let's move on to the fun stuff. This is a short but complete Dragon Ball Z manga, drawn by the young Tolg art. Let's watch this together. I will translate it into English again, so let's go. And that's the end. Oh man, I want to be a kid again. This is really cool. I love that. And I really want to know your opinion on my old drawings, guys. So do you like them? Let me know below what you think. I'm really curious. And of course, give this video a like. That will help my channel to grow. And I got some more short and complete mangas, guys. If you want to see them as well, share this video and again, give it a like. If we reach 2000 likes, I will show you the other mangas I have created. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and I see you very soon. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.